You are interested in buying a home. Now, you need to determine how expensive a home you can afford. Computing this manually can be very difficult. There are many variables, such as the actual price of the home, how much you initially put down for a down payment, the number of years you will be paying for the home, and the interest rate. Making a change to one of these variables changes the values of the other variables. Watch to the end of the video to check out how an Excel option can simplify the procedure and dynamically change the other variables when one variable is changed. Let's assume the following. You want to purchase a home that costs $200,000. You will make a down payment of 20%. The loan will be for 20 years. Assuming you are making monthly payments, that will be a total of 240 payments. The interest rate for the loan is 6%. The worksheet can be completed by filling in the following formulas. The down payment would be the home purchase price times the percent of the down payment. The loan amount would be the home purchase price minus the down payment. I will type the equal sign, followed by B1, then the minus sign, then B6. The monthly payments can be computed by using the payment function. The first argument, rate, is the interest per period. The annual interest rate is 6%, but we need to use the monthly interest. The interest is computed by taking the interest rate in cell B4 and dividing it by 12, which is the number of months in a year. The second argument, number of periods, is found in cell B3. The third argument, present value, is the amount of the loan, which is computed in cell B7. The payment function returns a negative value, but in this case, we want it to be a positive value, so we put a minus sign in front of the loan amount. If the payment function returned a negative number, we would have to change how we compute the total payments and total interest. The total payments is computed by taking the number of pay periods times the monthly payments. The total interest is computed by taking the total payments minus the amount of the loan. I will apply some formatting to make the data a little easier to read. Now that you have the data entered and the formulas set up, you can start playing What If? You could say to yourself, what if I changed the purchase price? How would that affect my down payment, my monthly payments, and my total interest? Excel will make all the adjustments for you. You can keep playing What If until you are satisfied with the results. The monthly payments are currently $1,146.29. You have decided that you can't afford to make payments of more than $900. You need to look at what values affect the monthly payments that you can change. You could try manually changing values in the worksheet until the monthly payments came to $900. That would take a long time. A much easier way would be to use Goal Seek to specify your goal, which is to make monthly payments of $900, and then to select which value you would like to change to arrive at that goal. You decide that maybe you could hold off purchasing a new home until you have enough money saved for a larger down payment. You can use Goal Seek to tell how large of a down payment you will need in order to make the $900 monthly payments. Click on the Data tab. Click on the What If Analysis button in the Data Tools group. Click on Goal Seek. We want to change the monthly payment, which is in cell B8, to $900. I will enter B8 for Set Cell and enter $900 for the To value. We want the down payment, which is in cell B2, to reflect this change. Enter B2 for by changing cell. Click on the OK button. The Goal Seek status window shows that our target value for B8 has been temporarily changed to $900. The results in the spreadsheet show that in order to lower the monthly payment to $900, we would need to increase the down payment from 20% to 37%. You can see that increasing the down payment to 37% would also decrease the loan amount, total payments, and total interest. The changes made to the spreadsheet when using the Goal Seek are only temporary. If you click on the OK button, the changes will become a part of the spreadsheet. If you click on the Cancel button, the spreadsheet will return to the way it was before you did the Goal Seek. I will click on the Cancel button. Let's do another. This time, you want to know what is the largest amount you can spend on a house in order for the monthly payments to be $1,000. Click on the What If Analysis button. Click on Goal Seek. We want to change the monthly payment, which is in cell B8, to $1,000. Enter B8 for Set Cell and enter $1,000 for the To value. We want the home purchase price, which is in cell B1, to reflect this change. Enter B1 for By changing cell. Click on the OK button. The Goal Seek status window shows that the target value for B8 has been temporarily changed to $1,000. The results in the spreadsheet show that in order to lower the monthly payments to $1,000, we would only be able to purchase a home with a price of $174,475.96. You can see that decreasing the purchase price of the home would also decrease the loan amount, total payments, and total interest. Let's do one more. Let's see how much more home we could buy if we changed the down payment to $50,000. Enter B6 for Set Cell and enter $50,000 for the To value. Enter B1 for By changing cell. Click on the OK button. By just adding $10,000 more to the down payment, we are able to buy a home that is $50,000 more. Click on the OK button. The spreadsheet now maintains the changes you made. You can change any value in the top section to see how it affects the values in the bottom section. While it may not be directly incorporated into the cost of your home, don't forget the cost of taxes and insurance. These can vary greatly depending upon the location and price of your home. Insurance for homes in flood locations will be much more expensive and may be hard to get.